The for Citroen C4 I Restyling C-Quatre front bumper headlight headlamp assembly is a commendable choice for vehicle owners seeking to enhance their lighting system. With its durable construction, easy installation, and impressive performance, it serves as a worthwhile investment for anyone looking to upgrade their Citroen C4 model. It not only enhances safety but also contributes to the car's visual appeal, making it a well-rounded addition to any automotive enhancement project. Installation is user-friendly, thanks to the assembly's compatibility with existing vehicle fittings and electrical wiring. This feature is essential for DIY enthusiasts and those looking to save on installation costs by avoiding professional services. In terms of performance, this headlamp assembly ensures a consistent beam pattern, minimizing the risk of blinding other drivers while maximizing your own visibility. The adjustable features allow for optimal alignment, so drivers can ensure their lights illuminate the road ahead effectively, improving safety.